Should we do a Sunday reset together? Okay, let's do it. If anyone wants to send me a Dyson or a cordless vacuum, I'll say whatever you need me to say. You guys, I freaking stepped on a shard of glass last night. It went up my foot. I had to perform emergency surgery on my living room floor. One more for good measure. I know Rye's gonna watch this and be so happy. I never do the trash. Got groceries. Okay, I got everything unpacked. Now let's put it away, and then I'm gonna reward myself with a cookie. I'm just gonna go ahead and meal prep an egg frittata for the week so I don't have to dirty any pans or even think about making breakfast this week. So I try to make a different one every week. Today I did mushroom, spinach, and feta, $3.50 for about 35 to 40 minutes. Okay, that's it. This was your sign to do a Sunday reset. Love you guys.